Hey folks, it's Rod with Pow Group. Welcome back on the pursuit of wealth, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, news and interviews. Today's Sunday. Happy Sunday, April 13th. Hope you're doing fantastic. In this video, we're going to be discussing ThreeDCapital. There's a new trailer out for the company, and they're going to be doing a $1,000 giveaway. So I wanted to give the community a heads up. And full disclosure, I do own the stock. It trades under symbol IDK on the CSE, and we'll discuss all of this and more. And we'll take a look at the chart as well. We've been absolutely crushed, so not a bad idea. Again, not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I'll be definitely looking to buy the dip and taking advantage of the $1,000 giveaway. Again, I'll give the details on that. Before we do, make sure to smash the like, help support me in the channel. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell, all the good stuff, and you'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. You can also follow us over on X, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow. Going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. So again, full transparency, I am a shareholder of the company. Do not buy or sell anything based on anything that I say or write. And I actually interviewed the CEO, Sheldon Inventosh, and we talked about MJ, biotech, AI, blockchain, and more. If you haven't seen that interview, it's got 3.6K views, 131 likes, very well received by the community, and very exciting company. Essentially, it's a way to invest in all of these new sectors and startups. It's basically like an ETF and ground floor opportunity. So if you haven't seen it, haven't become familiar with the company, I highly suggest you take a look from the horse's mouth directly from the CEO, Sheldon Inventosh. He's actually met Warren Buffett, and he's been very, very successful in his previous endeavors. And we'll play the clip here. This is the new ThreeDCapital trailer, a diversified basket of undervalued stocks to buy and founder level investments. So we'll play this clip, and in the comment section, if you scroll down right here, it's pinned to the top. Do you want to be a first mover? We're giving away a $1,000 split among a few lucky winners. So to enter, just comment below your favorite feature of ThreeDCapital stock, as well as your favorite portfolio company. Subscribe and share with a friend. Video description will help you. Bonus points if you spot any Easter eggs. Winners will be announced over time. Good luck. There you go. So we'll scroll up and we'll play this video real quickly here, and then we'll be back in just a moment.
Imagine a company where you can invest in every sector you love in one place with a single diversified investment. Exposure to the hottest sectors: blockchain, AI, Internet of Things, biotechnology, natural resources. A place where you can potentially get high returns and exposure to the crypto market, whilst having the security, regulation, and audited financials of the stock market. A known CEO with a credible track record, who took his last venture 150x, now coming out of retirement for one last venture with his son. Under a new company, trading at a discount to its asset value per share before even considering the growth story. A company proving its value, buying back and even deleting shares, aiming to maintain a healthy, non-dilutive share structure for shareholders. Portfolio highlights include a world first in micropayments, to 1/10 of a penny with a blockchain-like protocol. The Internet of AI, where AI communicates with AI to deliver proof of useful work. Brainwave reading, enhancing cognitive ability in a non-intrusive way. Quantum computing, completing tasks in seconds instead of days. Cybersecurity, protecting fighter jets. Iconic EV crypto cars with drive-to-earn Motoverse integration. Medical cannabis, supporting wellness and mental health. AI for health tech. Fighting disease linked to aging and inflammation. Tokenization of assets, even property. Gold and natural resources, the only 1,000-year time-tested stores of value, including natural hydrogen, an unlimited energy source at a fraction of the cost. ThreeDCapital, one investment for a diversified basket of over 60 companies, like an ETF for early-stage disruptive innovation. Every great investment starts as an idea that most people ignore. Imagine being there at the start of Amazon, Tesla, or Bitcoin. What if this is your moment? History rewards those who move first. The world's biggest innovations weren't built by those who waited, but by those who saw the future before anyone else and acted. Do you want to be a first mover? Telling your friends of new innovations and technology you have found? Become a first mover by following and investing in ThreeDCapital, giving you access to founder-level shares most cannot even touch. Under tickers IDK in Canada, IDKFF in US, V5K3 in Frankfurt, Europe.
Order filled.
All right, fantastic trailer. And like I said, very exciting company, very exciting sectors. I've actually interviewed the CEO of Avacana as well. If you just go to my channel, I didn't bring it up, but if you just go here, this is a good example on how to find it. You can just go to the main channel, go to the search bar, type in Avacana, or just put in Avacana and then POW Group. It should come up. But I interviewed the CEO and co-founder, Aras Azadian, and I actually interviewed ThreeDCapital as well. Like I said earlier on, you can check out that video for more information. And the stock is trading at 11 cents currently. So we've been absolutely decimated. They mentioned medical MJ and Avacana. If you're involved in these sectors, you've been absolutely annihilated lately. So it looks very similar to an MJ stock, to be completely honest with you. And then the crypto market finally starting to rebound, but it has been bearish as well. Some names down, 60, 70% from their local highs. So I think this is a phenomenal opportunity. Again, I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. This is not financial advice. I'm not, risking. I'm not breaking the bank or anything. You don't need to, in my opinion, if we're right about this company and the sectors and the companies that it's invested in. You don't need to invest thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars to see, life-changing wealth, right? Even a couple $1,000 investment is, sky's the limit essentially. And it reminds me a lot of some of the MJ names, right? Like I've mentioned before, Oxley. I've also interviewed the CEO, Hugo Alves of Oxley MJ Group, sorry. And the stock was just at a penny not too long ago, and now it's trading at 7 to 8 cents, right? And it was at 10 cents not too long ago. So a cool 10x in a very short period of time. This name could easily 10x from here. And if we go back to previous all-time highs, you're looking at 420, so very fitting. And they did do a reverse split though, a 1 for 4, so that would be divided by 4, obviously. But like I said, not financial advice, full transparency. I do own it. I'm going to be probably looking to add 2 or 3 more times over time. We had the local low there at 9.5 cents. And then after that, we're looking at 4 cents. So we're still in a monthly downtrend at the moment. We still have a lot of work to do. It's a monthly inside bar. So we'll see if we can break the high of last month, which is at 13 cents. That'll be key resistance here. And if we can get over that, we have a lack of resistance still about 27.5%, 27.5 cents from there. So it's looking good in terms of, the sectors that it's invested in. It's just, they're very high risk. So the high risk, high reward mentality, right? And reality of this, and that's why the stock has been absolutely destroyed. The sectors that it has been focusing on have been very, very rocky, and with the tariff war, everything going on in the broader market, it's not surprising. It's looking like very much like an MJ stock or some of the crypto altcoins that have lost 60-70% of their value in a relatively short period of time. But look, 5-10 years down the road, I think this is a company that could easily do a 10 to 100x from here. But again, not financial advice. Let me know what you think of this new trailer, and don't forget to take advantage of that giveaway in the pinned comment of that video. I'll put a link in the description and in the comment section below as well for easy access. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's Rod with POW Group. Thanks again for joining us in the pursuit of wealth, and we'll catch you on the next video.